Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Pashto letter Ghain. We will practice how to write it, see which letters it can be joined with, and learn some example words that start with Ghain. In our last video, we covered the letter Ghain. So if you haven't watched that yet, be sure to check it out. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with every new lesson. Let's begin. Ryan is also from the same category, the same style that like Ryan that we explained in the previous video. Now, Ryan, how the Ra sound in English, Ra. Initial style is this one, middle part is coming like this, final joint is this one, and final joint is this one. This letter with Ryan didn't have any difference in writing and scripting, and just if didn't have dot is I, if have one dot appears, change to Ryan. Ryan, yeah. In a word like, for example, we have at the beginning of words Ryan, Rach, Rach. It means tooth. Look, this both of these letters, Ryan and Hin, pronunciation is a little bit difficult. The Hin is also, like difficult. Most people pronouncing also like in Pashto language, this letter as a Shin, like for example, Ghash. And some people pronouncing as a Khe, like Gach. But the proper pronunciation, the correct pronunciation is Gach. Or some people, the Ghain change to Gab, like Gach. But the correct pronunciation is Ghain, Gach. Gach means tooth. In a sentence like زه خپل غاښونه برس کوم. زه خپل غاښونه برس کوم. I brush my teeth. زه means I. خپل my غاښونه teeth. Look, غاښ was tooth. غاښونه teeth. برس کوم brush. زه خپل غاښونه برس کوم. I brush my teeth. زما یو غاښ درد کوي. زما یو غاښ درد کوي. It means one of my teeth is hurting. زما means my, you one, غاښ teeth, درد hurt, کوي hurting. زما یو غاښ درد کوي. One of my teeth is hurting. Another sentence we have زه د غاښونو ډاکټر ته ولاړم. زه د غاښونو ډاکټر ته ولاړم. It means I went to the dentist. زه means I. د غاښونو ډاکټر. Look, doctors, like general doctors. د غاښونو doctor, like tooth doctor. In English, we can say like simple dentist. In Pashto, like for every, like thing, we use like adding the things. Then like doctor, like for example, the stergo doctor, like eye doctors. The Haduki doctor, bone doctors, like different kind of doctors we have. In English, for some of them we have special name like dentist. زه د غاښونو ډاکټر ته ولاړم. زه means I. د غاښونو ډاکټر dentist. ولاړم went. ته to. ولاړم went. زه د غاښونو ډاکټر ته ولاړم. I went to the dentist. روغتیا. روغتیا. روغتیا means health. پاکي د روغتیا سبب کیږي. پاکي د روغتیا سبب کیږي. Cleanliness lead to health. پاکي cleanliness د روغتیا to health سبب lead کیږي like do. پاکي د روغتیا سبب کیږي. Cleanliness lead to health. مونږ باید د خپلې روغتیا خیال وساتو. مونږ باید د خپلې روغتیا خیال وساتو. We should take care of our health. مونږ باید should د خپلې روغتیا our health خپل خپلې اور روغتیا health خیال care وساتو take موږ باید د خپلې روغتیا خیال وساتو we should take care of our health غوښه غوښه no meat this one is also like a little bit difficult pronunciation some people pronouncing غوښه some people pronouncing غوښه some people pronouncing غوښه all of them is correct but the correct pronunciation is this one غوښه meat زه غوښه خوښوم زه غوښه خوښوم it means I like meat زه means I غوښه meat خوښوم like زه غوښه خوښوم I like meat مور مې نن غوښه پخه کړه مور مې نن غوښه پخه کړه it means my mother cooked meat today مور mother me is referring to my مور me it means my mother نن today غوښه meat پخه کړه cooked پخه cook پخه کړه cooked مور مې نن غوښه پخه کړه my mother cooked meat today غوښه باید پاکه او تازه وي غوښه باید پاکه او تازه وي meat should be clean and fresh غوښه باید پاکه او تازه وي meat should be clean and fresh غوښه mean meat باید should پاکه clean او and تازه fresh وي be meat should غوښه باید پاکه او تازه وي meat should be clean and fresh yeah now is the time to practice all this sentence with me I will say and you can repeat after me the only way to learn the language is practice and practice let's practice again غاښ غاښ tooth زه خپل غاښونه برس کوم زه خپل غاښونه برس کوم I brush my teeth زما یو غاښ درد کوي زما یو غاښ درد کوي One of my teeth is hurting زه د غاښونو ډاکټر ته ولاړم زه د غاښونو ډاکټر ته ولاړم I went to the dentist روغتیا روغتیا health پاکي د روغتیا سبب کېږي پاکي د روغتیا سبب کېږي cleanliness lead to health موږ باید د خپلې روغتیا خیال وساتو موږ باید د خپلې روغتیا خیال وساتو we should take care of our health غوښه غوښه meat زه غوښه خوښوم زه غوښه خوښوم I like meat مور مې نن غوښه پخه کړه مور مې نن غوښه پخه کړه My mother cooked meat today غوښه باید پاکه او تازه وي غوښه باید پاکه او تازه وي Meat should be clean and fresh If you would like to learn Pashto or Dari online, feel free to contact me. I'll got hundreds of students and deliver thousands of hours on different online platforms like Italki and Farsi. You can check out my students' review there to see what they say about learning with me. If you want a complete course, you can enroll on Udemy. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.